How to add modes and routines to lock screen shortcut on Samsung Galaxy S26 Ultra. So let's start the video. First of all, go to app library. Now here, so click on settings app. Now in settings, scroll down and click on wallpaper and style. So after click on wallpaper and style, click on lock screen. You will see lock screen is here. So click on this shortcut and click on no app. So if you want to add modes and routine apps, so scroll down and search mode and routine from here. So scroll down. So after searching mode and routine, so click on mode and routine and you will see mode and routine is here. So after the process, click on done. So you will see mode and routine is add on lock screen shortcut. So after the process, go back to home screen, refresh phone. So that's how you can add modes and routine to lock screen shortcut on Samsung Galaxy S26 Ultra. So if you like the video, please subscribe. Thanks for watching.